Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is lesson 12, larger populations. So for each question, identify the population and a possible sample. So what population means? So population. So a population is the entire pool from which data is taken. Now, a sample is a part of the population from which data is actually collected. So, what is the mean number of pages for novels that were on the bestseller list in the 1990s? Our population would be all New York Times bestseller books from the 1990s. So it'd be the whole population. Our sample, though, would be 20 of the books on list you could find at local library. So a much smaller scale. It's not all of the books that were on the list from the 1990s. That'd be a lot of books. It's just 20 of them that you could find at your local library. So it's a smaller sample. For number 2, what fraction of new cars sold between August of 2010 and October of 2016 were built in the United States? The population, all cars sold, between August 2010 and October 2016. The sample would be 100 cars sold during that dates. Because obviously we can't look at all the cars that were sold in those dates. So we want to look at a smaller portion, but we don't want to make it too small. We need to have a decent amount to still give enough variability to make it accurate, or in the hopes that it will be accurate. All right, for number 3, what is the median income for teachers in North America? Our population would be all teachers' salaries in North America. The sample can be the teachers' salaries at our school. So that'd be a smaller population size. We'd use the teachers just from within our school to take and represent the whole group. For number 4, what is the average lifespan of Tasmanian devils? Sorry, can't talk. The population would be all Tasmanian devils that ever lived. The sample would be the Tasmanian devils kept at our local zoo. So reducing it down to something much more feasible. So a lot of times the population is something that we just can't even begin to really fathom because there's just so many possible people within that or items within that to have to take and look at. So instead, we look at something smaller. We look at a sample of it that can represent the whole. So trying to make it random so that our sample isn't biased, but also keeping in mind that we can't look at the entire population. So population is your keyword for this lesson. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.